In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manually approve tags on Instagram. So first, what you want to do is open up your Instagram app. Go to your profile and click on the hamburger menu on the top right. And from here, click Settings and Privacy. Then you want to scroll down until you see tags and mentions. Now, you can play around with these settings like who can tag you, everyone, people you follow, or don't allow tags. But if you want to manually approve them, click on Manually Approve Tags. Turn this on, and basically from now on, whoever tags you, you will get it here, and from this screen only you need to approve them or disapprove them. And that's basically it. That's how you manually do it. If you don't want to do it manually anymore, just slide it to the left, turn it off, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, if this video helped you out, let me know. If you didn't, also let me know, and I'll do my best to help you out.